عدد معلوماتك وبارك وسلم وصل عليه. Surah Nabāء. Nabāء means the news. This name has been taken from ayah number 2, where Allah has said on النبأ العظيم, the great news. And this great news means life after death. Great in a sense. That the intellect of common lay people cannot approach it. And that's why the people of Arabia, they refused this concept, calling it impossible. Then the subjects of surah, Al-Ba'su ba'd al-Maut, or life after death. Which for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us the details of His creature and creation. That the one who created, He can recreate. And then the inzar, or the threat and warning, and tafsir, or happy news, as sunnatullah in Quran is that He is mentioning both to keep up the balance, so people may not be too much in fear nor too much in hope. And that is iman, al-iman bayn al-khawf wal-raja. Iman is in between fear and hope. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amma yatasa'alun. Amma. Asluhu anma. These are two words. Anma. Then the noon has been entered into meme, which is called idgham. And the alif of ma is dropped to make the pronunciation easy. Amma yatasa'alun. Amma yatasa'alun, about what? Yatasa'aluna, they ask one another. Tasa'ul is babi tafa'ul. Tasa'ul is babi tafa'ul. And in tafa'ul there is the khususiyat and the quality of mufa'ala. And the quality of mufa'ala is interaction. What? Interaction, ta'amul min al-janibain. So tasawul mean they are asking one another. This guy is asking this one and he is asking this one. Mean discussing and debating the life after death. That's what it means. So now there is discussion or debate to make the issue clear and to be satisfied with. But as far as their asking of one another was concerned, that was for mere joke. Yes? Taunting on this concept. Mocking at this concept. They used to call it stupidity and foolishness. Got it? That this is totally impossible. How the dead will come back into life? Got it? That's what they said.